where we illuminate the vibrant stories, cultural nuances, and resilient spirit that define this remarkable nation. Prepare to embark on an immersive odyssey as we delve deep into the heart of Haiti's iconic landmarks, each one a living testament to the indomitable strength and rich heritage of its people. Our odyssey commences amidst the rugged terrain of northern Haiti, where the imposing silhouette of the Citadelle La Ferrière looms large against the azure sky. A masterpiece of military engineering and architectural ingenuity, this colossal fortress stands as a sentinel, a steadfast guardian of Haiti's hard-won independence. Commissioned by King Henri Christophe in the early 19th century as a bulwark against potential colonial incursions, the citadel stands as a tangible symbol of Haiti's triumphant victory over oppression. Its towering walls, constructed with meticulous precision from locally sourced stone, bear witness to the courage and resilience of a nation united in the pursuit of freedom. As we ascend the winding path to its summit, we are enveloped in the echoes of history, the clatter of hooves, the rallying cries of revolutionaries, and the resolute footsteps of those who dared to defy the odds. The citadel is more than a fortress. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of the Haitian people, a beacon of hope that continues to inspire generations. Venturing beyond the citadel, we encounter another architectural marvel, the enchanting Sans-Souci Palace. Nestled amidst verdant foliage in the town of Malo, this grand edifice served as the opulent residence of King Henri Christophe and his royal court. Built in the neoclassical style reminiscent of European palaces, the Sans-Souci Palace exuded elegance and grandeur, a testament to Haiti's cultural sophistication and artistic prowess. Despite enduring the ravages of time and natural disasters, including devastating earthquakes, the palace's crumbling facade remains a poignant reminder of its storied past. As we wander through its labyrinthine corridors and verdant gardens, we are transported back in time to an era of opulence and intrigue, where the whispers of history linger in every stone and shadow. Our journey takes us southward to the bustling streets of Port-au-Prince, where we encounter yet another iconic landmark, the legendary Iron Market. Dating back to the late 19th century, this vibrant marketplace has long been the pulsating heart of Haiti's commercial and cultural life. Named for its distinctive iron framework, the market's bustling alleys are a riot of color and sound, alive with the hustle and bustle of vendors and shoppers alike. Here, amidst the heady aromas of spices and the vibrant hues of handcrafted wares, we witness the entrepreneurial spirit and resilience of the Haitian people on full display. Despite enduring the ravages of numerous natural disasters, including the catastrophic earthquake of 2010, the Iron Market stands as a testament to Haiti's indomitable spirit and unwavering resolve. And finally, we arrive at our last stop, the iconic National Palace, an architectural gem nestled amidst the bustling thoroughfares of Port-au-Prince. Originally constructed in the early 20th century as a symbol of Haiti's burgeoning democracy and newfound stability, the National Palace served as the official residence of the country's presidents. With its stately columns and majestic facade, the palace exuded an air of authority and grandeur, befitting its status as the seat of power. However, tragedy struck in 2010 when a catastrophic earthquake reduced much of the palace to rubble, leaving behind a haunting reminder of the fragility of human endeavor. Despite the devastation, plans are underway to rebuild and restore this iconic landmark to its former glory, a testament to Haiti's unwavering commitment to resilience and renewal. As we conclude our journey through Haiti's historical landmarks, let us pause to reflect on the resilience, strength, and unwavering spirit of its people. From the towering ramparts of the citadel to the bustling alleys of the Iron Market, each landmark tells a story of triumph over adversity, of resilience in the face of hardship, and of a nation's unyielding determination to carve out its destiny amidst the winds of change. Join us next time as we continue to explore the captivating narratives that shape our world, one landmark at a time. Until then, this is Moses signing off. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring.